What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Loom network, which has gone up 35% in the last 24 hours and is getting a lot of attention right now. It is currently trading at just above 6 cents, so we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go. Is it going to keep pumping over the coming hours? Is it going to crash back down, or is it going to maintain its value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy right now? Have we missed the boat? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it if you're on a profit and take out your money? But also covering its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go, or even how low can it go? And is it worth investing into Loom network in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up just under a percentage in the last 24 hours. And of course, we have Loom network as the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase. Hence why it is getting a lot of attention. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can see it has gone down half a percentage in the last hour itself, which is nothing major compared to how much value it has gained over the last day. Over the week, 45%. Over the month, 55%, and we can see most of the pump did come from the last 24 hours. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up crazy guys, 1,600%, making it $130 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. Again, only reason why it's gone up so much is, yes, it's one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so more people are looking into the project. We're seeing a lot more traders, meaning more buyers and more sellers. So yes, the trading volume is still going up and is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours, meaning more and more people will start to trade the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loom network, which is here in purple at just above 4 cents. However, it is actually trading at above 6 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And they are looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not too realistic. Again, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last 24 hours. However, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping at this pace. Yes, I'm expecting it to keep increasing in value, but not at its current pace. It's essentially hitting about 7 cents is what I'm expecting over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, down to below 6 cents is what I'm expecting. So yes, I'm expecting ups and downs over the next couple of hours, quite volatile, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction. The exact same applies here. It is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Loom network to have gone through once again an overall drop in value, guys, potentially dropping down below 5 cents is where I'm expecting Loom network to be trading at by mid next week. However, That does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, but at this point the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is predicted or expected from Loom Network over the next 7 to 8 days. And for those of you asking, is it worth investing into it right now for the short term? Personally, it's not, because as I mentioned, I am expecting it to drop back down in value, so I wouldn't invest into it if I'm trading it for the short term. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and yes, still looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic again. So guys, the major increase that's taken place over the last 2-3 days has caused the graph to think, you know what, it's going to carry on that way, so on and so on. However, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Loom Network over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so potentially early to mid-November 2023. I'm expecting Loom Network to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, but nothing too major. Potentially heading towards the 10 cents target is what I'm expecting towards November, December time from Loom Network, so towards the end of the year. But again, there will be red days and red weeks and so on, up and down, quite volatile, but we should be heading towards 10 cents towards the end of the year is what my predictions are from Loom Network. But again, this depends on any projects or updates that they've got going on, and if there are anything that can have a major impact on the value of Loom Network, either in a positive or negative direction, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are very close to hitting the green zone and the resistance target here of, let's have a look, 0.7, sorry, just 7 cents, guys. We should be able to hit that and head into the green zone over the next couple of hours. However, it is likely it is going to resist and then drop back down into the red zone towards the end of the day today or early hours of tomorrow. As previously, as you guys can see, a couple of months ago, it literally pumped up into the green zone and then straight away dropped back down into the red zone. A similar thing is likely to take place. As you guys can see, as I'm recording the video right now, it is slowly heading into the green zone. It's likely to head above 7 cents as mentioned earlier, but then towards the end of the day, likely to drop back down into the red zone. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Loom Network, guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And the value keeps going up, keeps pumping, and as I mentioned, the trading volume also keeps going up as well, and it is likely to head up over the next couple of hours as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.